Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. So yesterday was kind of a crazy day. This gamma range didn't update till really late day down to that 578, and we saw a nice flip in calls, but overall just a volatile day really in this range, into the gamma range, back out once it walked down. Nothing too actually everything was pretty wild yesterday. Very volatile day is what I meant to say there. Did finish with the green decks. Let's jump into our daily customer sentiment. Got even more bearish yesterday, so we're in sell the rip mode or short the pop mode or whatever you want to call it until these bars change. That is just how that is working. Dark pools, we did have a SIG print at 585.4 yesterday, so mark that on your charts right near the high of the day almost. I think we were at 585 even. So mark that on your charts as an important level. Don't worry about bull, bear. Just mark it on your chart like it's support resistance. 595 is now the largest ag, so we're pretty far away from that. So at some point, we'll probably walk price up into that spot for some reason. It's CPI today, so maybe we get some crazy violent candles and that walks us up over the next few days. Not sure. Maybe we stay in sell the rip mode. We'll find out through net flow and 0 day and gamma range and all that as the market goes live. But right now, we'll just keep looking at some of our data. So 595.54, keep that in your mind. If that stays as the largest aggregate, the price sooner or later rips its way towards those things. Let's go ahead and check our gamma ag. We hold 581. That was a big one yesterday. Got plenty of room up to 589. Past that, it gets real thin, but there are some pulls on the ag. We lose 581 with force on the ag at least, 577, 576, 572 with the stopper there, and then a 568 stopper all the way down. So let's go ahead and take a look real quick, see what today 115 looks like, see if there's how much of a difference there is between the two. So don't like this at all. Tons of positive bars right here. This could mean, and I don't want to say this, could mean chop between, I don't know, this 579 that we kept hitting yesterday and this 584. So we're going to need to break out or down from it as we go. So over 584, there's plenty of room up. There's nothing really stopping it. Very thin, right, into 605. I think there's a ghost zone really around this area too, in that upper range that we talk about sometimes on X. So we hang above that. Pretty simple range. Not saying we go all the way up here and rip into 605, but there is a nice thin gamma range up here. But we're pulling down here into 583. Largest pull is 578 right now. We get out of this stupid positive cluster here. We're just stuck looking at this one right here. So the only way to get through any of this is to really repel very quickly downwards, which it's going to be some violent candles that need to do so. So back down this way. A ton of stopping power, or at least repel power as we go from 580 to this gamma cluster down to 574, and then one at 571. Another little tiny pull here at 584. So we're just going to keep in mind this area here. We're going to check for that update when the gamma updates like it did yesterday, showing us if there's a breakpoint level. That is all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.